my point. Now, Sanju Verma ji, please tell me, who are these political parties? Are they aligned with the NDA at all, or are they aligned with all the opposition parties? आपका ऑडियो म्यूट है. आपका ऑडियो म्यूट है. प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. Sanju ji, can't hear you. Now try again, please. No, we can't hear you. I'm not able to hear you. We'll just sort that out. We'll sort your audio out and come back to you. Riju Dutta, would you agree that this is only the parties which are not aligned with the current disposition who are being targeted, or do you believe this is timely?
No, see, if Election Commission is trucking off political parties who are involved in money laundering and involved in any kind of corruption, that is under the purview of the Election Commission, and they should very well go ahead and do it. But my question is this: the rules of corruption, or the rules of the land, or the rules of the law should be uniform for all. We have the greatest respect for the central agencies and the judiciary, but the central agencies seem to be very cautious when it comes to the opposition, and when it comes to the main force in the market, which is the BJP Sarkar. They're very reluctant. I am stating facts now rather than going into a political slugfest. I'm stating facts. In 17 years, in Money Laundering Act, ED is an investigating agency for money laundering. Okay. They have filed 5,400 cases. Conviction only 23. Only 23 convictions. And some cases goes on for years on end. Nothing happens. What you are discussing now.
Yeah.
Secondly, the ruling disposition in the country, BJP, and correct me if I'm wrong, if you see the total amount they have in their electoral bonds, and if you see other national parties, forget regional parties, national parties like TMC or Congress or Aam Aadmi Party or Samaj Party, these second, third, fourth, fifth parties, you put all of them together, will still not match what BJP has. So, you know, these are the things from 2014 till 2022. I challenge anybody in the current disposition to name one leader or one minister of the BJP that has been investigated by central agencies. None. You will not find a single name.
Riju Dutta, this is my phone and this is a teleprompter stick. No matter how much you say it, both will not be the other. What were we talking? We are talking about political parties that are rolling money or rotating money, round-tripping money. That is illegal. A political party getting donations and becoming one of the richest parties in the world, you can't grudge them that. Nobody's stopping you from getting donations. Those are two different aspects. So let's not talk about two separate aspects. But let me just ask Sanju Verma. Sanju Verma, can you hear me now? Oh, sorry, you could hear me. Can we hear you now? Let me just check that.
Am I audible, Anand?
Yes, you are. So now 2-3 allegations have come your way. One is poll season se pehle crackdown. ECI had struck out, then why suddenly IT is waking up today? Second part, how many of these parties that have been raided are aligned with the BJP or aligned with the opposition?
Okay. Anand, first and foremost, let me tell you one thing very clearly. That every 4 to 6 months there is an election in India, be it an assembly election or a municipal poll or even a by-poll for that matter. So to try and make an allegation that the BJP has done this because of oncoming elections, I think that is a very naive argument. Point number 2, and more importantly, the Election Commission has clearly said that there have been more than 2,000 parties which have not complied with Section 29A and Section 29C of the Representation of Peoples Act 1951. The Election Commission has gone on to say that over 92% of the RUCP registered unrecognized political parties, they have not filed their contribution report pertaining to 2019. They were sent a notice by the Income Tax Office and by the CBDT as recently as 26th May 2022. They were sent notices on various occasions in the last 3 years. They were given enough time to present their case as to why they have not complied, why they have not submitted their audited statement. Because under an RUCP, you are allowed to take various tax exemptions, but you have to submit your audited profit and loss statement, your audited balance sheet. And these more than 2,100 RUCPs have neither submitted their audited balance sheet nor have they submitted their audited financial statements. In some cases, the Election Commission found that in the last 5 to 6 years, some of these parties have not even contested a single election. Whereas the rule is that after being registered, in the first 5 years, you have to contest either an assembly election or a bypoll equivalent to that or a Lok Sabha election.
Right.
And the most important point is this, that 87 RUPPs were found to not have any physical office. The notices sent by the tax department actually returned back saying, "यहाँ पर तो कोई physical office है ही नहीं." And the most important thing is that some of these RUPPs who continue to claim tax benefits, they were supposed to give their election expenditure status. You are aware that the rule says within 75 days of an assembly election getting over, the RUPP
No, that is
has
okay.
to submit its election expense.
No, I understand that you're putting out all the rules. This is what is supposed to be done. You said 2,177 plus parties. Our team has just put out of the 23 parties that were found, 20 have been raided.